Styles. Today is 22nd of November 2023. It's a Wednesday, and I'm just going to be doing a day in the life video. I don't usually do this kind of videos, from the previous videos in my channel. I just show you my trade executions and sit down and give advices or something. But I just felt okay. Let me just do a day in the life. I'm not a fan of it because I can wear my best outfit and not take a single picture or even appear on camera. But I think I'll start doing this for future purposes, so that when I get to where I want to get to in this journey of mine, I can look back at my old videos and be like, so this is where I started from. Because I have very short-term memory and I can forget a lot. I don't remember what happened yesterday unless I sit down and I think in details. Last week, forget it. So I don't hold grudges, that kind of thing. Anyways, so I'm traveling to my hometown. I'm currently serving my country. I'm a youth corps member and I haven't been home in a while. So I heard that the road is good now and the transport fare is now cheaper. So I'm just going to go home and go and relax. I also have my convocation coming on Friday. So I just want to just be present and enjoy, snap a couple of pictures. Let me still get proof that let me still have proof that I'm a graduate, that kind of thing. Anyways, so please do well to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave a comment in the description below. Let's get on with the journey. Let's get on with the video. Sorry. I will not be looking at the chart much today because I'm going to be in transit, but let me just take you all through things that happened the previous day. Yes, so after price took out these equal highs right here with this rally, I knew that price was going to retrace because there was a lot of liquidity resting above those highs. Old highs have better liquidity resting on top. So I knew that price was going to retrace a little bit, maybe to this other block on the daily and continue the rally, or might just break down and reverse the overall trend. It can go both ways. We have imbalances below here, but I feel that I'm of the opinion that we are going bullish. But for now, because I'm a day trader, in the short term, I expect bearish price action. So yesterday, I saw this, like these consecutive candles here are all other blocks. Then I saw this fair value gap. So I just marked out this fair value gap as a draw on liquidity. Price then tapped into this. It's okay. Let me turn off this indicator. So yes, this is where price tapped into the old highs and broke down. I should have taken a trade here, but I was just reluctant to take it. The trade I took was actually a loss and it was on GU. So we saw the retracement coming down deep into discount. That's from this leg to this leg. Let me draw it out for you. From this leg to the high, from this low to the high. You can see that price has tapped into the discounts area. Price just about tapped discount, so we might see a rally from here to continue the uptrend, or we might see a continuous break, maybe to tap deep into this fair value gap that I draw out on the daily, or deep into this set of other blocks that I showed you. However, what I'm just doing right now is waiting to see how price reacts from this zone. You can see a leg from here to here. So if price is to go down, price might just take out liquidity from this previous day high and create a market structure shift and drop down, or price might just tap into this other block right here and continue the move down. Any high plays out, if I see a setup before I get on the road, which will be any time now. The time is currently 9 o'clock. I should be on the road by 10 or 11 o'clock. So if I see a setup, I'm going to get into the trade and I'm going to show you. So this is my trade idea. I expect price to head towards this 1 hour order block, and the 15 minute price tapped into a nice area, another block from the previous day, and I expect a drop down. But this euro dollar, the daily range is not too much, so 1.08723.
5.02 risk to reward. Let's see how price at now. This is very crazy. Just few seconds after a few minutes after I just talked about my trade idea, you can see what price this price just dropped deep, far into discount, tapping the fair value gap I had highlighted. But my focus is on this hourly order block right here, or anything around it. I think price might disrespect this fair value gap. I don't know. I'm not ready. I'm not trying to predict it. I'm just trying to watch it and see how it goes or what goes on. But currently, I can see, if I look at this chart, I can see another block in the hourly. In the 1 hour chart, I can see another block right here. And this other block just happens to be a fair value gap. So if price retraces back into this fair value gap, I'm going to place an order here. I could not enter that first trade. Yes, I drew the box, but I could not enter the trade. I was still in doubt when price rallied away. So yes, this is my order currently. And this is a fair value gap, FVG. So we'll see how price is even an inverse fair value gap. You can see a fair value gap behind. If you're an ICT student, you understand what I'm talking about. So this is my trade idea for euro dollar today. I expect price to tap this zone and drop down. The stop loss is 19 pips. Take profit is 39.8 pips away. Then on GU, I like to get similar trades on GU because EU and GU, they move the same way. You can see right now. That's what I'm talking about. Basically the same thing. GU is even retracing faster. So I want GU to tap into this other block. I want to see GU tap to this other block and sink. The stop loss is 9 pips. I'm going to target logical areas for my take profit. So I'm going to place my order now. I will definitely show you what happens. If I get stopped out, I will show you. If I get my take profit hit, I'm going to show you. All right. Ouch. Maybe last bus stop. So we're about to be on our way right now. Okay guys, the time is currently, I think 4 o'clock. I just got back home a few hours ago, around 1 o'clock. I think that's when I arrived at my house. So yes, and the journey was very stressful. I've not even rested. I'm trying to prepare something to eat right now. But the trade I took on euro dollar, it went well, I think so. But that of GU, I checked it while I was staying in the bus, and I found out that I hit stop loss twice. That's why it's not going to revenge trade. I knew that price was going to go down, but I think I missed my entry twice. First time, price liquidated me and gave me a sign as if it was dropping. So I entered again impulsively, bad habits and everything. And I got kicked out of the trade again, this time for a bigger loss. But thanks to EU and another opportunity I saw on Aussie, I was able to end the day on a green note or blue note. I was able to end the day positive. So I'm going to be showing you the chart and I'm going to be showing you the MT5 so you can see these things with evidences and everything. And I'm done for the day actually. So I'll just take you through the charts. That will be all for today, and that will be the end of this video. You don't have to see how I go to bed and everything. Anyways, let's get to the charts. So this is the trade I showed you guys in the morning. This is the EU buys, EU sells that are credited, if you can remember. You see, we have our full take profit hit for a 2 risk to reward 2 arrow trade. But unluckily on the GU we hit a stop loss. So that's why I say, although these pairs move in tandem, they don't always move together. You can see I hit my stop loss, price went up before dropping. This would have been a better trade, but I'm happy for the win. Then on Australian AUD USD, I just saw this price action around here and I got into the trade from this zone. I just took a shot from here. Stop loss above the highs. I think I targeted this low. So let's take it to the MetaTrader 5 app to show you the trade execution. So these are my trades for today. You can see GU hit stop loss. EU did not hit take profit. I closed earlier, but I'm risking 500. So this is a 1 ratio TV arrow trade actually. Then this is my second entry, my positive entry I told you about. Then this is the AUD USD trade, the final trade for today. Now you can see that this is the EU trade execution. This is where I sold, and this is where I exited the trade. This is the Aussie dollar trade execution. Like I said before, where I sold, where I exited. Then this is the GU trade execution, where I was liquidated twice before price finally sold. So these kind of things happen. Yeah, so that's all for today. Those are all my trades for today. Dinner is served.